Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m divided by 4 and its whole cube is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. The very first thing we are going to do is first we apply this cube separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as m cubed divided by 4 cubed is equals to, this is 8, and we find the prime factors of 8, and 8 is equals to 2 cubed. And in the next step we move 4 to the power of 3 to the right hand side, and it will be written as m cubed is equals to 2 cubed multiplied by 4 cubed. And here we combine the cube on both of these two values, and it will be written as m cubed is equals to, here we combine the cube on these two terms, and it will becomes 2 times of 4 and its whole cubed. And further we have 2 times 4 becomes 8 cubed, and in the left hand side we have m cubed. And now we move 8 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes m cubed minus 8 cubed is equals to 0. And now we apply the nice cubic formula here, and you know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we just write the above equation as in this form. The first factor is a minus b. Here the value of a is m, and the value of b is 8. So we put a equals m and b equals 8 in this formula, and it will be written as m minus 8 times of m square plus m times of 8 plus 8 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m minus 8 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square plus 8m plus 64 equals to 0. From here we move minus 8 to the right hand side, and we get the value of m is equals to 8. And from here you see that this is the quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 8, and c equals to 64. And we state the quadratic formula as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and it will be written as in this form. We have m is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 8. When we put it here, it will becomes minus 8 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 8 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 64, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications in order to find the values of m, so that we have m is equals to minus 8 plus minus square root of, we have 8 square becomes 64 minus 4 times of 64 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And in the next step you see inside the square root sign we have 64 be the common term, so we take it here, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So here we break this square root sign, and it will be written as minus 8 plus minus square root of 64 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we simplify the terms, and we get minus 8 plus minus, we know that square root of 64 becomes 8, and we here you know about that The negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so it will becomes iota, and here we break this fraction and we write 2 separately on both of these two values. We have this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get m is equals to minus 4 plus minus. This is again 2 times 4 becomes 8, and we get 4 times of square root of 3 into iota. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first two roots are complex roots. So m1 is equals to minus 4 plus 4 times of square root of 3 iota. The second root m2 is equals to minus 4 times of square root of 3 into iota, and the third root is m3 is equals to 8. This is the one real root of the given equation. So finally we have these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.